Welcome to my channel. I am going to embroider this simple design today. For these small leaves, I am going to use lazy daisy stitch. Just pick it up from here. Put the thread round the needle. Pull up the needle. And put the needle down. That's all. For all these leaves, I am going to do lazy daisy stitch. That's all. Again, for this leaf, I'm going to pick it up from here. Take it from here. Put the needle up. Put the thread round the needle and pull up the thread. That's all. And from the front, just put the needle down. That is all. Again for this one, pick it up from here. Thread round the needle. Pull up the thread and put the needle down. After completing the lazy daisy stitch, for this, using the same thread, I am going to do stem stitch. The thread should be on your left hand side. Take small stitches. That's all, very simple. Finish this, just put the needle down. For this leaf, I have taken a different shade of green. For these 3 lines inside, I am going to do stem stitch. Not the border. For the border, I am going to do something else. This is only for the lines, 3 lines which are inside. After I come to this line, I'll put the needle down and then I'll do the second and the third line. For the border of the leaf, I am going to do this. Just pick up the needle from here. Take a small stitch. Pull the needle. Take the needle round the thread, not through the cloth. A Y will form. Take the needle again through the thread. That's all. Again the same thing. Take a small stitch like this. That's all. A simple stitch. This is only for the border. After picking up this small stitch, then both the times you are going to take the thread around this. Don't put the needle through the cloth. That's all. Simple design. For this flower, I am going to fill this up using herringbone stitch. Simple, just pick it up from here. Take a small stitch this side. And another small stitch this side. Again the same thing. I am going to repeat this way. Take small stitch, one small stitch this side and another small stitch this side. This way I am going to fill up this portion. After completing this portion using herringbone stitch for the border, I am going to do a line of back stitch. Small stitches, just go at the back and pull up the needle from the front. Do not leave any gap between two stitches. For both the border, I am going to do the same thing. Even for this, I am going to do one line of back stitch. After completing back stitch, I have taken that same blue thread and just go like this through the thread. Through the thread only and not through the cloth. That's all. For both the borders, for this also the same thing I will do. Just go through the thread and not through the cloth. Only through the thread. That is all. After completing the border, I'll fill in this center using long and short stitch. Start from the center. That's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe.